So gradient can also be defined as, if this is y axis and this is x axis, है ना? So this is rise, this is rise. Rise is towards the up direction. This is rise, and this is run. So M is nothing but rise upon run. Okay. So let us suppose you have earlier coordinate as y1, and this coordinate is as y2. So this rise is y2 minus y1. That's why we write y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1. And run is, let us suppose this was x1 and this is x2, just two coordinates. So run is nothing but x2 minus x1 also. Okay. Now look at the big picture which I'm trying to make of this rise upon run. Okay, so this big picture, let's suppose I make it here. Again there is a line. I'm just magnifying it, I'm just magnifying it. So there is a line, and I'm taking this triangle, this triangle. So let us suppose the angle it is subtending is theta. Okay, this I already proved that this value is nothing but y2 minus y1, because it's a magnification of this one, and this value is x2 minus x1. If you see, the coordinate of this point is nothing but x2 and y2, and coordinate of this point is x1 and y1. Okay, so tan theta is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. Tan theta is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and this is also equal to m. Hence, from this proof we came to know that for any angle or for any line having angle theta, which the line is making with x-axis, ठीक है ना? If the line making the angle of theta with x-axis, so this theta, the tan of theta is also equal to the gradient of the line. Tan of theta is also equal to the gradient of the line.
Wait a minute. Then